What's up, people? Excuse me. I was just gonna kind of be like an on-the-spot sort of a thing. A little bit of an upgrade in my hardware. I just received the Toshiba Camileo H30. Full HD. What else? Full HD, 10 megapixel. It shoots in 1080p. It goes up to 1080p. I think the video's 10 megapixel, but I believe it takes photos in 16 megapixels. Anyways, I was just going to do like an unboxing of this thing, and I wanted to point out right away too, on 2 of the 4 sides. This is like a what do you want to call it? It's like an old board game box, you know. You just slide it off, which I've never really seen a camera packaged that way before. But on 2 of the 4 sides, there's a little like the little half moon. Well, I guess they're a full circle sticker, but yeah. Anyways, I'll get that stupid sticker off of there, and we'll continue. Okay, so stickers are removed, and forgive me if there's a lot of noise in this video. Shit. Fucking shaking the camera like a British nanny here. Damn it. Get out of it. Jeez. Yeah, like I said, the fan's going, and I got my Final Fantasy 11 going. I didn't feel like muting. So, first off, it's like a foam protective pad that has Camileo H30 on it. Fantastic. Didn't need it. Thanks for including. Here is the remote, which I will probably never use unless I get into a lot of tripod FaceTime stuff, you know. Whoopie-doo. Here's the camera. There should be other stuff in here. It's another, that's kind of weird. Another foam thingamaroo. Let's see, we got a... Well, see, this is a thing about with my other camera. The main camera I have been using, it came with a CD as well. It's a Sony Handycam Mini DV. And the CD it came with, I thought it was like a software installation, but it was like the worst, most. It's like one of those videos you watch when you start a job, you know. It was like one of the worst, like instructional videos on how to use a camera and how to film things. It was like so useless to put in there. But anyways, this looks like it is a. It says ArcSoft Software and User Manual, so it looks like this is actually a software disk and not just a stupid tutorial on how to fucking use a camcorder. Warranty, bullcrap, instruction manual, like a faux velvet carrying bag for the camcorder. Smooth. The lens cap, not attached to the camera, but in a separate bag. Fantastic. It's like a little cleaning cloth for the lens of the camera. This would be the HDMI cable. Smooth as butter. Power adapter. Your standard RCA cables, which looks like it's a 1/4-inch jack, or whatever you want to call that. I just call them a headphone jack. It's not focusing well, but it looks like it's like a headphone jack. That's what I call it. And we have the USB cable that connects camcorder straight to the laptop or desktop of choice. Okay, I'm going to pause this right quick and we'll take a look-see at the camcorder. Okay. Clunk. So let's take a looky-do at the camcorder here. Very shiny, glossy finish. So my stupid poster. My dorky posters in the background. And, yeah. Let's say, oh god, this doesn't focus for shit. It says HD 1080p, 5x optical zoom, touchscreen, 10 megapixel, and YouTube ready. YouTube ready. It's blurry, but it's YouTube ready. And this also says on the side, oh yeah, it says 10 megapixel, full HD, 1920 by 1080. So that's kind of weird. There's like a this little red thing right here. It says Camileo on it, and it's like rubber. It's like I guess maybe a grip for when you close it. I don't know. Here's the touch screen viewfinder. This is a really poor. I'm all up close in this business, and you can't even see what's going on. So there's a button right here on the right of that blurriness. It looks like it's the camcorder camera switch button, and then this little toggle switch here that looks like the little little mirror thing in a car. So looks like an onyx black kind of a finish there, and then the rest is just a flat glossy black. It's a nice looking camera. It's got a little corkle there for a tripod. I guess your battery would go here. There's a little slip compartment. And there's a, oh, that's the battery is already in there, but that's also where you can't really see it, but that's the little hole. I can get my finger there. Son of a gun. I'm all full of fail today. The little hole right here is for SD, your SD card. I believe this takes up to a 32 gig SD card. I have to read through it, but I think that's what we deciphered. So yeah, that's that. Every following video episode of anything, all my unboxings, all my shit, what the fuck do I do? The unboxings, the full 360s, the JStone TV, everything will all be shot with this camera, and probably I will only shoot in 720p, just to save room and upload time, to cut down on upload time. I'm glaring in the camera's eye. There's a little light right there. So yeah, that's the Toshiba Camileo H30, H30, and I don't even know what it's called. It's pretty reasonable. Walmart.com has these for $180, and that's before shipping and tax. And I got this on eBay through Tiger Direct's eBay store for $150 flat. No shipping, no tax. So I would advise, if you would like this camera, to get it from eBay or just from Tiger Direct, because why would you want to spend probably $40 to $50 extra dollars when you could just get it the same thing? It's brand new in box, never opened, from Tiger Direct. So that's that. I'll probably be doing a video, just kind of a tester video to test this out later, so if you're interested in seeing what kind of quality this has, oh, excuse me, that will be coming up. So that's it for this unboxing. Take care. I just wanted to add, you can't really see it on this dark blue background. I put the camcorder in the little faux velvet bag. And I just gotta say, I know it's just, it's not for permanent use, and I have a camera bag that I'll be putting this in, but it doesn't really seem like it fits. Like, you can't really pull the drawstring tight. Like, it seems like it's like the bag should be like a couple inches taller for it to really fit the camera well and close completely. I mean, if this is all you have for your camcorder is this bag, and you're walking out in the rain or something, and you got that much of your camera showing because this little bag won't close, and you're carrying it just like this or whatever, might get a little bit wet. So that's all. Just wanted to add that in there. Take care.